TikTok just dropped a feature that could change the way you share on the app forever. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. TikTok has rolled out shared collections, a new way for friends, families, and fandoms to collect and share their favorite TikTok finds all in one place. Think of it as your own mini hub for everything you love, from cookie inspo, holiday dinner plans to DIY decor, and even your sneaky Secret Santa wishlist. If you and a friend both follow each other, you can build one together, and yes, you must be 16 or older to join the fun. TikTok says the feature is designed to make saving and organizing posts smoother than ever. Whether you're gathering tips from your top creators, planning a makeover, or learning a new skill, shared collections are built to keep your TikTok clean, and if you want to show off, you can even make your collection public as well. But that's not all. TikTok is ready to spread some festive cheer with greeting cards, a cute addition that lets you pick a themed card right inside your DM, scribble a message, and send it off with a sparkly animation. It's TikTok's way of making your chats feel a little more magical. TikTok's next big social twist, shared feed, will be there soon. You'll be able to generate a shared, personalized feed within DM, specifically made for both your tastes. Just like Insta's Blend, TikTok will merge your interests into one scrolling stream built just for the two of you. With shared collections live and more features on the way, TikTok is doubling down on making discovery a team sport, and your For You page might never feel the same again. Will this make watching TikToks more fun? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.